inner space needs to be completely awakened. You need to bring your awareness to your inner space. You need to be completely aware of your inner space, whatever is happening in it. Let it be clear, even your thoughts, this is difficult or you are impure, is nothing but shaft. One more thing, even if you practice some purity or some discipline for 10-20 years, you will not feel you achieved it. At least I have not seen anybody who has got the confidence that they have become pure. I have seen hundreds and thousands of swamis, hundreds and thousands of spiritual seekers, and hundreds and thousands of yogis and sadhakas. Nobody feels in their inner space that they have become pure. They can't feel because constantly they will be creating the shaft of what they have done. What they have done. Let it be very clear, your inner space, inner thoughts are no way logically connected to the outer world. That's an important thing. Just now I said, you see the universe as you want. Now I give you another one statement. Let you understand these two statements which appears contradictory, but Shiva is answering. How they are not contradictory, they are complementing each other. First I told you, you create the world which you want to see. Now I am telling you, you are, your inner space is no way connected to the outer world. When I made that first statement, I meant you project this world and see. That's the truth. When I make this second statement, your inner consciousness is not disturbed or affected by the outer world as you think. You think if something goes wrong in the outer world, you will feel the suffering. You will have the suffering. Or something happens in the outer world, nice thing, you will have that joy. But it doesn't happen always logically. Sometimes even if you have something nice outside, outer world, you don't feel the excitement, joy in the inner world. Sometimes strange you can feel when something seriously wrong, when something goes wrong. Suddenly you see a confidence, you stand up and you show your strength. Mentally you may be thinking, oh, if that happens, I will be completely collapsed. I cannot do anything. But when it happens, suddenly you will see you are able to handle it. You are able to manage it. You are able to live through it. Be very clear. Two things you need to understand. Your thoughts or your response is no way connected to the happenings of the outer world. Second thing, your thoughts itself, they are not directly, logically connected with each other. Your response to the outer world and your response to the inner world, both are illogical, independent and unclutched. Your thoughts towards the outer world, towards the inner world, your own self, both are not logical or connected as you think. You are made to believe you have a logical identity. It is only a belief. Your logic, as long as you believe your logical identity, let you be very clear, you will be constantly bringing more and more and more suffering. You will not have the spontaneity. I have always seen people who are not logical, who are not educated, they will be more spontaneous.